Prime it several times. What we have here is a Briggs and Stratton powered lawnmower. It'll start and then it'll quit right away after it runs for a few seconds. Today I'm going to show you how to repair that in under 5 minutes. So what you'll need is some carburetor cleaner, a small thin wire, this happens to be a piece of phone line, a rag, a pair of safety glasses, a pliers, locking pliers or a clamp, and a 1/2 inch socket, wrench or spanner, or a 13 millimeter, and a pair of gloves. First thing we're going to do is if you have a lot of fuel in there, we're going to pinch this fuel line off since there's no valve to shut it off, and I'm just going to use the locking pliers for that. And then next we'll go under here and place a rag and remove the bowl on the bottom of the carburetor. You do not need to remove the air intake at all, and it's probably best that you don't, because there is a gasket behind there that activates the primer, and if you mess that up, your priming's not going to work and it'll be hard starting after that. Now that I have the fuel line clamped off, going to unplug the spark plug on the front, and now we're going to go and remove the bowl. If your fuel line is very old and brittle, you're going to need to replace it, because it won't be able to clamp it off very well. So on the bottom there is a 1/2 inch nut. That's also your main jet to your carburetor. Want to go ahead and loosen that up. And some fuel is going to drip out. What you're going to want to do is look in here for some water and dirt. And inside here is your main jet and a gasket, and I'm going to show you how to clean that. This is a main jet from the bottom of the carburetor bowl. You would take your small thin wire and run it through here. That needs to be cleared out. Then we're going to put, with your safety glasses on, we're going to spray in here, and spray should come out both sides. Just need to snug that up, and then we'll go ahead and put our spark plug, reconnect that.